Hey everyone, Richard C. Wilson, Family Office Club. I'm recording this video in Vienna, Austria. We're hosting an event for a dozen people here that are worth $50 to $100 million plus. And what I wanted to emphasize is that our whole investor club is all about creating a perpetual learning machine for myself, for my ultra wealthy clients, for my clients who are just getting started raising capital, for my clients who are private investors and only worth $1 or $2 million. The whole point here is for all of us to learn from each other. If we all pick up better tax strategies, if we all pick up how to structure deals more efficiently and effectively, if we all learn how to negotiate deals that are a win for all two or three parties involved, and we can all acquire more strategic choke points, figure out what the niche sandbox we should be operating in, where we should focus our energy, and we layer all these structures and mental models on top of each other, we're all going to be more successful. And so if you want to learn while we learn, as we have through hosting 250 live events the last 16 years, we have 4,000 active investors in our club. To come to our next in-person event and explore membership, please go to familyoffices.com. Our private investor club is called the Family Office Club, and you can follow us on YouTube. You can follow us by listening and subscribing to our podcast if you'd like. I've written a dozen books, and I do hope that you visit familyoffices.com, and we see you at our next live event. Thank you.
Join the Family Office Club by visiting familyoffices.com. We look forward to seeing you at our next live event.